a minute. Imagine tearing up a gorge full throttle in a $70,000 jet boat. Feel the power of the boat and the water whizzing past and the wind in your hair. It's great stuff. And that's just what reporter Melinda Rutter said when she took such a ride. She was in New Zealand, and that's where she found this jet boat ride up the Shotover River on the South Island. And here's her report.
What you're about to see is called a Hamilton turn. Just have a look at this. And that's one of the many highlights of